3 supplements your body needs to reverse gray hair. Are you noticing more gray hairs each month and wondering if anything can actually reverse the process instead of just covering it up with dye? What if 3 specific supplements could help your body restart melanin production and potentially bring back your natural hair color from the inside out? Most people waste money on random hair supplements that don't address the root causes of graying, but science has identified exactly which nutrients your melanocytes need to function properly. Your body needs only these 3 supplements to reverse gray hair because they target the specific deficiencies and biological breakdowns that turn off melanin production in your hair follicles. Today, I'm revealing the exact 3 supplements backed by research that can help reverse premature graying naturally. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal the biggest supplement mistake that's preventing premature gray hair reversal and wasting your money. Here's what most people don't know about vitamin B12 and its powerful role in reversing gray hair. The first supplement your body needs to reverse gray hair is vitamin B12, specifically in the methylcobalamin form, because this essential nutrient is absolutely critical for melanocyte function and melanin production. Research from the International Journal of Trichology shows that vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the most common and reversible causes of premature graying, with multiple case studies documenting hair color restoration after supplementation. The mechanism involves vitamin B12 being essential for DNA synthesis and cell division in melanocytes, the pigment-producing cells in your hair follicles. Studies reveal that without adequate B12, melanocytes cannot replicate properly or produce the melanin that colors your hair. When B12 levels drop too low, melanocyte activity decreases dramatically, melanin production stops, and new hair grows in gray or white instead of your natural color. Think about what's happening at the cellular level when you're B12 deficient. Research from dermatology journals demonstrates that low B12 impairs the methylation processes necessary for melanin synthesis. Your melanocytes literally cannot produce enough pigment to color your hair properly when they don't have sufficient B12 to support their metabolic activities. It's like trying to run a factory without electricity. Here's the remarkable part about B12 supplementation and gray hair reversal that gets really exciting. Multiple clinical case studies have documented partial or complete reversal of premature graying after correcting severe B12 deficiency through supplementation. Research shows that when people with documented low B12 levels and premature gray hair began B12 treatment, some experienced regrowth of pigmented hair within 3 to 6 months. While results varied based on how long the deficiency existed, the scientific connection is clearly established. The dosage matters significantly for reversing gray hair with B12 supplementation. Research demonstrates that typical multivitamin doses of 6 to 25 micrograms are inadequate for correcting deficiency or supporting melanin production. Studies show that therapeutic doses of 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily of methylcobalamin are necessary to restore B12 levels and support melanocyte function effectively. The timeline for seeing results with B12 supplementation requires patience based on research. Studies show that while energy and other symptoms may improve within weeks, hair pigmentation changes take much longer. The gray hair already on your head won't change color, but new hair growing from follicles with restored B12 can return to its natural pigmented state within 3 to 6 months of consistent supplementation at therapeutic doses. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand the supplements your body needs to reverse gray hair better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. While B12 supplementation helps restore melanocyte function, the second supplement your body needs involves copper because this trace mineral is absolutely essential for the enzyme that actually converts amino acids into melanin pigment. Research from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology shows that copper is required for tyrosinase enzyme function, and without adequate copper, melanin synthesis completely stops regardless of how many other nutrients are present. The mechanism involves tyrosinase being a copper-dependent enzyme that catalyzes the rate-limiting step in melanin production. Studies reveal that this enzyme converts the amino acid tyrosine into melanin precursors through a series of reactions that cannot occur without copper. When copper levels drop too low, tyrosinase activity decreases dramatically, melanin production stops, and new hair grows in gray or white instead of your natural color. Think about those frustrating moments when you're doing everything right with diet and lifestyle, but still seeing more gray hairs appear. Research demonstrates that even slight copper deficiency can significantly impair melanin synthesis because tyrosinase absolutely requires copper as a cofactor. Your melanocytes might be healthy and functional, but without copper, they cannot produce the melanin that colors your hair. Here's where it gets exciting for reversing gray hair with copper supplementation. Clinical studies have documented cases where people with copper deficiency and premature graying experienced partial restoration of natural hair color after copper supplementation. Research shows that correcting copper deficiency through supplementation at 2 to 3 milligrams daily helps some people regain pigmentation in new hair growth within 4 to 6 months. The challenge with copper is that deficiency is more common than most people realize, yet often goes undiagnosed. Studies show that modern diets often lack adequate copper because we don't consume traditional copper-rich foods like organ meats and shellfish regularly. Research demonstrates that soil depletion has reduced copper content in plant foods, and certain medications, including antacids, impair copper absorption, increasing deficiency risk. The form of copper supplement matters significantly for absorption and effectiveness. Research reveals that copper glycinate is one of the most bioavailable forms, meaning your body can absorb and utilize it efficiently. Studies show that copper glycinate causes fewer digestive side effects compared to copper sulfate while providing superior absorption. Taking 2 to 3 milligrams of copper glycinate daily supports tyrosinase function without risk of toxicity. The balance between copper and zinc is crucial to understand when supplementing. Research demonstrates that these two minerals compete for absorption, and excessive zinc supplementation can induce copper deficiency. Studies show that the ideal ratio is approximately 1 milligram of copper for every 10 to 15 milligrams of zinc. If you're taking high-dose zinc supplements, you must ensure adequate copper intake to prevent deficiency that accelerates graying. The third critical supplement your body needs to reverse gray hair involves catalase enzyme and a comprehensive antioxidant complex because research clearly shows that oxidative stress and hydrogen peroxide accumulation in hair follicles is a primary driver of graying that must be addressed for reversal. Studies from oxidative medicine journals demonstrate that protecting melanocytes from free radical damage while neutralizing hydrogen peroxide buildup is essential for maintaining and restoring hair pigmentation. The mechanism involves melanocytes being particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress because the melanin production process itself generates reactive oxygen species as byproducts. Studies reveal that hydrogen peroxide accumulates in hair follicles as we age because catalase enzyme activity declines. Research demonstrates that this accumulated hydrogen peroxide literally bleaches hair from the inside out while damaging melanocyte DNA and impairing their function. Think about the invisible damage happening to your melanocytes every single day from oxidative stress. Research shows that sun exposure, pollution, stress, poor diet, and normal metabolic processes all generate free radicals that attack your melanocytes. Without adequate antioxidant protection, this cumulative damage progressively destroys melanocytes and accelerates graying regardless of how much B12 and copper you have available. Here's the remarkable part about antioxidant supplementation and gray hair reversal. Studies demonstrate that comprehensive antioxidant supplementation, including catalase, superoxide dismutase, glutathione precursors, and vitamins C and E, can reduce oxidative stress markers and protect melanocytes from damage. Research shows that people who supplemented with antioxidant complexes experienced slower progression of graying, and some reported improved pigmentation in new growth after 6 to 12 months. Catalase specifically deserves attention because research reveals this enzyme breaks down hydrogen peroxide into harmless water and oxygen. Studies show that as catalase levels decline with age, hydrogen peroxide accumulates in hair follicles, causing the bleaching effect that turns hair gray or white. Supplementing with catalase or catalase-supporting nutrients helps neutralize this hydrogen peroxide before it damages melanocytes. The challenge with catalase supplementation is that oral enzyme supplements face digestive breakdown. Research shows that taking catalase-rich supplements derived from plant sources or supporting your body's natural catalase production through nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium may be more effective than taking isolated catalase enzymes. Studies demonstrate that comprehensive antioxidant formulas providing multiple protective compounds work synergistically. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about these 3 supplements that can help reverse gray hair naturally. Beyond the 3 primary supplements, understanding supporting nutrients that enhance their effectiveness becomes crucial for optimal results. Research demonstrates that certain vitamins and minerals work synergistically with B12, copper, and antioxidants to support melanocyte function and melanin production more effectively than any single nutrient alone. Vitamin C plays multiple critical roles in melanin production and melanocyte protection. Studies show that vitamin C is necessary as a cofactor for enzymes involved in melanin synthesis, while also regenerating other antioxidants including vitamin E and glutathione. Research demonstrates that vitamin C deficiency impairs both melanin production and melanocyte protection, making supplementation of 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily beneficial for comprehensive hair pigmentation support. Biotin and other B vitamins work synergistically with B12 to support melanocyte health and function. Research reveals that biotin deficiency, while rare, can contribute to hair problems including loss of pigmentation. Studies show that B-complex supplementation providing all 8 B vitamins in balanced ratios supports optimal cellular metabolism, including in melanocytes. Taking a high-quality B-complex alongside targeted B12 supplementation provides comprehensive support. Vitamin D plays surprising roles in hair follicle health and melanocyte function. Studies demonstrate that vitamin D receptors are present in hair follicles and melanocytes, and vitamin D deficiency is associated with various hair problems. Research shows that maintaining adequate vitamin D levels through supplementation of 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily supports overall hair health and may enhance the effectiveness of other supplements for reversing gray hair. The amino acid L-tyrosine deserves consideration because research shows it's the direct building block for melanin synthesis. Studies demonstrate that tyrosine gets converted by the copper-dependent tyrosinase enzyme into melanin pigments. Supplementing with 500 to 1,000 milligrams of L-tyrosine daily ensures melanocytes have adequate substrate for melanin production, particularly beneficial for people with low protein intake or poor protein digestion. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil provide anti-inflammatory effects that protect melanocytes from damage. Research reveals that chronic inflammation accelerates melanocyte dysfunction and graying. Studies show that supplementing with 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA from high-quality fish oil reduces inflammation throughout the body, including in hair follicles, creating a more favorable environment for melanocyte function and potential gray hair reversal. The biggest supplement mistake that's wasting your money and actually preventing your gray hair from reversing is taking random hair supplements without addressing the specific deficiencies causing your graying and not taking high enough doses consistently for long enough to see results. Here's the critical truth most people miss. Generic hair supplements with tiny amounts of dozens of ingredients cannot reverse gray hair because they don't provide therapeutic doses of the specific nutrients melanocytes desperately need. The mechanism involves most commercial hair supplements containing inadequate amounts of key nutrients. Research shows that typical hair supplements might include 25 micrograms of B12 when you need 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms, or 1 milligram of copper when you need 2 to 3 milligrams, or minimal antioxidants when you need comprehensive protection. Studies demonstrate that these subtherapeutic doses cannot correct deficiencies or support melanin production at levels necessary for visible hair color changes. Think about the frustration of spending months taking expensive hair supplements and seeing zero improvement in your gray hair. Research demonstrates that without targeted therapeutic doses of B12, copper, and antioxidants specifically, your melanocytes remain deficient and dysfunctional regardless of the marketing promises on supplement bottles. You're essentially wasting money on nutritional insurance when you need nutritional intervention. Another critical mistake is not taking supplements consistently for long enough to see results. Studies show that hair grows approximately half an inch per month, meaning even if you perfectly support melanocyte function today, it takes 3 to 6 months minimum before you'd notice different pigmentation in new growth. Research demonstrates that people who take supplements sporadically or stop after a few weeks never give their melanocytes the sustained nutritional support needed for reversal. The solution is getting tested to identify your specific deficiencies when possible, then taking therapeutic doses of methylcobalamin B12 at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily, copper glycinate at 2 to 3 milligrams daily, and a comprehensive antioxidant complex with catalase-supporting nutrients. Studies show that people who followed this targeted approach with consistent supplementation for at least 6 months had the best outcomes for slowing or partially reversing gray hair. Expecting dramatic overnight changes represents an unrealistic mistake based on research. Studies show that gray hair reversal, when it occurs, happens gradually in new growth over months. The gray hair already on your head won't magically change color. Only new hair growing from healthier melanocytes with restored nutritional support can potentially return to its natural shade if the damage isn't permanent and the deficiency is caught early enough. Ignoring diet and lifestyle while relying solely on supplements is equally problematic. Research demonstrates that supplements work best when combined with a nutrient-dense diet, stress management, adequate sleep, and avoidance of smoking and excessive sugar. Studies show that people who optimized their overall health while supplementing had significantly better results than those who took supplements, but maintained unhealthy habits that continued damaging melanocytes. If this video helped you understand the 3 supplements your body needs to reverse gray hair naturally, please share it with someone who could benefit from this science-backed information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about natural hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you reverse gray hair and maintain your natural color. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share these powerful supplements backed by research. I'll see you in the next video.